I just learned how to fly this weekend. I learned how to fly. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Watch, look, I'm gonna levitate myself. Whoa, I'm going. Oh my gosh. I'm totally in the air, guys. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is so weird. Whoa, I'm levitating. Whoa. Okay. I'm back on the ground. Oh my gosh, that is freaky. Whoa, I freaked out. All right. Let's look at number 3. Billy, were you amused by my flying?
Yeah.
That's cool. How about you, Mara? What'd you think? You ever met a person who could fly before?
No.
So what do you think of that? That I could fly? What do you think? You want me to show you how?
It's pretty cool.
Do you want me to show you how to do it?
Sure.
You just kind of like, you just relax. You know what I mean? Like you see how I'm like going like this? Melissa, you know what I mean? Like just, Melissa, do you know what I mean? You see what I'm doing? Just see how I'm relaxing? Like I'm floating right now. Like you just imagine yourself in space. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. My feet are totally off the ground right now. Hang on. Shoot. Oh my gosh. Grab just kicked Dennis. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. Dennis, are you trying it? Are you floating right now, Dennis?
No, I'm not.
If you try it right now.
Nothing's happening.
What? Are you trying though? You're not even trying. You just said nothing's happening. You didn't even try anything. Are you relaxed? Like, what'd you say, Dennis?
I didn't say anything.
No, I said, are you relaxed?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now exhale. All right. Are you floating now?
I'm still just sitting.
What? Are you wearing a seatbelt in your chair or something? Maybe it's holding you down.
Nope.
Okay. Connor, you want me to show you how to fly?
Yeah.
You seem kind of low there, so you could definitely use.
Here, hold on.
You definitely need to go. You ever see that Red Bull commercial? That guy jumps out of the stratosphere.
Yeah. Here, hold on.
You saw that before? Whoa!
I figured it out.
Look at it, Connor. Yeah.
I can fly. Guys,
That's
I can
what Listen, that's what I'm talking about. See, you think you came here to learn math? You guys learned how to fly. Aaron, are you next? You want to do it? No, are you scared? Are you scared? Come on. What are you, a chicken?
I'm good.
What's the matter? You chicken, Aaron? You too chicken to fly? I'm sorry. No, I shouldn't peer pressure. Aaron, I'm sorry. I don't want to do peer pressure. That's bad. Never give in to. See, Aaron, you still, even though I called you chicken, you still said you didn't want to do it. Right, Aaron?
Yeah.
That's good. That's called character. Character. You know what I mean? All right. Okay, let's see. Anyone else need to know how to fly? All right, I think we're good. Anyone else? Does anyone else want me to show them how to fly real quick? Like you could do it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Ow. You got it. That might happen. You got to be careful. Like if you get tense and nervous. Okay. Number 3. Okay. So we're going to start with number 3 through 51, every other odd. I know it's hey, if you lose track, it's okay. Like which one's every other odd and so forth. But let's jam. Here we go. Number 3. Write down number 3 with me. I'm writing it down on my whiteboard as you guys are writing it down on your paper. 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 plus negative 2x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, and if you guys get this, I'll skip a whole bunch and let you do the rest on your own. But here we go. I'm stop presenting. I'm going back to my board here. Here we go. Here's number 3. Where am I? Yo. Number 3. Okay, so you just add the like terms, right? When you add polynomials, you're just basically combining like terms. You guys remember how to combine like terms? So 3x squared plus negative 2x squared. So I add that to that. Obviously, different signs, so I subtract. 3x squared, take away 2x squared is 1x squared or just x squared. Okay? 4x minus 3x. Difference, even though it's adding a different sign, so I subtract. 4x, give me my other color. 4x minus 3x is 4x minus 3x is 4 minus 3 is 1, negative 1x or just x, and then 1 plus 3, they're different signs, so we subtract plus 1. Okay, everyone raise your hand if you're out. Sensei, I got that. I don't need any other reviews on that. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay, most of you raising your hand. I'm going to move on. I'm going to go to subtraction. Okay? Okay? All right, Yume, am I going too fast?
No.
Okay, here we go. Thank you. Here we go. Let's look at the next. So let's do 3. And we'll skip 5. And then so let's do 7. But you guys can do 7 on your own. I'm just going to let you guys do that on your own. 7, 9, 11. I will do 11. Okay, I'll do 11. We're already on 11. So I'm writing 11 out. You guys write 11 out too. You guys fill in the blanks on your own. Do the other ones on your own. You can do it out of order. That's fine. So here comes number 11. Number 11 is 5x to the 6th minus 2x to the 4th. So I'm writing this slow. Plus 9x cubed plus 2x. And then minus 4 minus 7x to the 5th so minus 8x to the 4th plus 2x minus 11. Okay, so here's how I would do this. Okay. Gosh darn it, Lucas. Oh my gosh, the freaking monkey's all over the place. It's okay. We're good though. Okay. So now this is all subtraction. What I like to do is I like to change it to an addition problem. Okay, that just makes it easier for me. You don't have to do that. I know some of you can figure it out, but it changes a lot of the answer. It's a lot easier to see if you change it to addition. So if I make this an addition, then like this stays the same, make this an addition, then all these here have to change their sign. So this is a positive 7x to the 5th, make that a negative. This is a negative, make it a positive. This is a positive, make it a negative. This is a negative, make it a positive. Okay, once you change that addition, it makes it a lot easier to see what our end result is going to be. So 5x to the 6th minus 7x to the 5th. Okay. Oh, no. X to the 6th. There's no x to the 6th to add this to, so this stays 5x to the 6th. No x to the 6th, so you just leave it, right? Now 7x to the 5th. Notice because this negative makes it negative 7x to the 5th. Okay, make sure it's a negative. If you didn't change the signs, it'd be harder to see that. You might still be able to get it right. But just make sure you got that negative 7 there. All right. Negative 2x to the 4th plus 8x to the 4th. Different signs. So I subtract, even though it's an addition. Different signs. So I subtract 2 minus 8 is 6x to the 4th. Positive. Make sure you got that positive there. And then no x squared. Oh, wait. 9x cubed. Nothing to add to the 9x cubed, so it's 9x cubed. 2x minus 2x goes away, so that's 0x. And then negative 4 plus 11, they're opposite, so we subtract. So that'll be plus 7. That's subtraction. You get, let's see. Are there any questions on that? Okay, we all get it? Do one of these things if you get it. Put a little hand up. Look at the little hand so I could see. Put your hand up, the little thing. Boo, boo. Let me see. I want to see all the hands up. I get it, Sensei. Let's move on. Let's get out of here. Okay. All right. Montserrat, do you know? Do you have one of these or no? Montserrat, can you hear me?
Yes.
Do you have one of these?
It's on the left side, right, of the screen.
It's on the bottom. Do you not have it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Do you have a question?
No.
Okay. Put your hand up so I know if you understand or not. Emma, how about you? Do you have one of these things right here? Do you see this?
No, I don't see it.
Okay. You don't have one of those?
No.
Okay. So, do you have a question, Emma?
No, I'm good.
Okay. So some of us don't have that hand up. Lorenzo, do you have a question?
No.
Do you not want to have one of those hands up?
No.
You don't have one of those things?
I don't think so.
All right. You're not watching anime, are you, or anything like that, are you?
No.
Okay. Do you ever watch anime?
Not really.
Oh, okay. You're not gaming, are you?
No.
Do you ever game?
Sometimes.
What? Sometimes, like once a week or twice a week, or
No, just on my free time.
do you do it every day?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you ever play what's that game? Fortnite? It's the best.
No, not anymore.
Fortnite's the
No.
best. You gotta play, you gotta try it, man. I'm telling you, Lorenzo. Lorenzo, you on it? I could play
Huh?
you on it. You want to play? I'll Fortnite you out, man. You're scared of me.
No, I'm good.
Are you scared to play me?
Yeah.
That's right. Gosh darn it. It's a freaking monkey. Okay. All right. All right. Number 15. During a recent period of time, the number in thousands of males, M, and females, N, that attended degree-granting institutions in the United States can be modeled by 19.7 t squared plus 3.5 t plus 7,539.6. Females is 28 t squared plus 368 t plus 10,127.8. Where t is time in years. Write a polynomial to model the total number of people. All you have to do is just add these up. That's all you got to do. You guys can do that on your own. Just add 19.7 t squared plus 28 t squared. 310.5 t plus 368 t. All right. So that's 15, 17. Let's go to 19. Okay, so do you guys know how to multiply these out? I'll just do it real quick. 19 is, they have here 5x squared minus 4x plus 6 times negative 2x Negative 2x plus 3. Okay. Now, I know, like, that's 19. Like, look at 23. That's a messy. But I know that you guys, probably most of you already know how to do this. But and you like, some of you like to do that rainbow method, which is great. The rainbow method's great. But when you do more than 2, you do like 2 times you do a trinomial times a binomial, or a trinomial times a trinomial. It gets kind of like messy and hard to follow. So what I like to do is I like to make a box. You don't have to make a box, but the box makes your life a heck of a lot easier. Trinomial. See, I did 1, 2, 3 times a binomial times 2. Now, if you have a trinomial times a trinomial, it just keeps it organized and set together, okay? So, look. In the box, we say 5x squared minus 4x plus 6. And then here we go, negative 2x plus 3. Now, the idea behind the box is you're finding the area of each little square. So, if you don't know what's going on, let me ask you, like if I did a little box right here, can you see that little box? Okay, Julissa, what would be the area inside that box there?
6.
6, because 2 times 3, right? So every one of these, you multiply this times this to get the area of this box. You multiply this times this to get the area of that box. This times this to get the area of that box. And this times this to get that box, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to ask you guys so we can get out of here more quickly. What is the area of this box right here? Tell me the area of the box. Let's go with Thomas. What's the area of this box right here?
Negative 10. X. Don't you add the exponents?
Yes, you do, sir.
X to the x cubed.
There you go. X to the 1 times x2 is x cubed. Boom. Thomas, nailed it. Okay. Let's go with Nathaniel. What about this one right here?
8x squared.
Yep. Boom. Let's go with Sam. Samuel, what do you get here?
That would be negative 12x.
Negative 12x. And let's go with Brianna. What do you get here?
15x cubed.
Well, it's just an x squared. There's no x here. Brianna, you get it?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
All right, cool beans. Navid, how about this?
Negative 12x.
There you go. And then this one here, let's go with Miley. What do you get here?
18.
All right, so now I can combine my like terms. So I got my x squared and my x squared. Boom, that there. And I can, so my final answer is going to be negative 10x cubed. Then I add these. 15x plus 8x. 15x squared plus 8x squared is 23x squared. And then I can combine my x's. You can see see how they're diagonal across? Negative 12x plus negative 12x is negative 24x, and then I got the 18. Now I'm assuming that that's review from, like, most of you could probably didn't. That's review for most of you, and probably most of you didn't even need me to show you how to do that. But that's how you do it. Okay, we're moving on. Can I move on? We'll move on. Stop me if you need something. But I'm moving on. That was 19, I believe. Was it? I don't even remember. I should write the numbers down. I lose track of the numbers because we're just going all over. Okay, the next thing. Okay, that was 19. It's all the same. 21, 23. This is a trinomial times a trinomial. That's going to be hard. But just do the boxes. You'll be fine. 25 and then 27. Okay, find the product of the binomials. Okay, this one you guys can do. Just multiply those out. If you guys want me to do it later, I will. After class, I will. But 27, 20. You guys can multiply those out. 27. Skip 29. 31. Skip 33. I think we're on 35. Where's 35? Oh, okay. Okay, let's do 35. X minus 9 times x plus. I'm going to do these super quick. Again, this is all review. All right, here we go. So we have 35 is x minus 9 times x plus 9. I'm going to do these super fast. You probably won't be able to keep up because I know you know how to do this, but I just want you to see the patterns. And then 35 and then 39. 39 is 7h plus 4 squared. 7h plus 4, all of that squared. Okay, so take a look. Look at what I got here. And here we go. I'm going to do this so fast. Okay, so now you could do the FOIL. X times x is x. Notice it's minus 9 plus 9. You should know what this is without these cancel out. It's x squared plus 81. Difference of squares. You guys remember that? The difference of squares? That's the difference of squares, right? That's why the 9 goes away. X squared plus 81. Now this one, the way you'd solve this one is you go 7h plus 4 squared is really, it is not this. It's not this. 49h squared plus 16. That is wrong. Do not do that. A lot of people make that mistake. I'm assuming you guys will not make that mistake. That is wrong. The answer is 7h plus 4 times 7h plus 4. 7h squared. 7h plus 4 squared is 7h plus 4 times 7h plus 4, which is 49h squared plus 28h, right? This times this plus 28h plus 28h plus 16, or 49h squared plus 56h plus 16. Or this squared, double it, multiply it. Multiply double. Okay. I'm moving on. Can I move on? I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now here's where you're going to actually learn some new stuff. Okay, use the value of n to find the coefficient in the expansion. Oh, no, we're not on n. That was 39. Where am I? Oh, 39. Wait, where are we? Look at all. Oh, there you go. 39. Okay. 39, 41. Okay, use Pascal's triangle to expand the binomial. Okay, let's talk about Pascal's triangle. Okay, first of all, Pascal's triangle. Okay, what is Pascal's triangle? Let's do some Godzilla time. You guys don't have to write this down. Let's do some Godzilla time. Okay. What if I asked you to multiply this? If I said, don't write this down. If I said x plus 3 to the 5th power, that's going to be a real big pain in the butt to do, because you're going to have to go x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you multiply this, x squared plus 6x plus 9 times x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3. You gotta go, you gotta multiply all that out, then you have to keep multiplying it out, okay? So this guy named Pascal invented something he called Pascal's triangle that makes it a lot easier to multiply x plus 3 to the 5th power. I'm gonna write it right here. X plus 3 to the 5th power. Now it's a tool. Pascal's triangle will help me to multiply this without taking up the whole board, right? And here's how it works. Here's Pascal's triangle. Now I'm going to show you how it's built. So you build it Godzilla times over. You're going to take notes for this now, okay? I'm going to show you how it's built first, and then I'm going to show you how to use it, okay? So first, let's build Pascal's triangle, okay? Here we go. Here's row 0. Boom. See the very top? Make sure you have room to draw it below. It's going to go like this. Make a triangle. You put a 1 on top, okay? And we're going to keep putting 1s here. We're going to put 1, and then 1, and then 1, and then 1, and then 1, all the way up. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 on like this. What do you mean by that, Sensei? You know what I mean by this? I mean this. 1 like this. 1. What do you mean by that? This is what I mean. 1 like this, okay? What do you mean? Well, here we go. Then we go 1 and 1. This is row 1. This is row 0. This is row 1. Okay? Here comes row 2. This is row 2. Look at 1, 1. See, I did 1s on the side? And in the middle goes this. 1 plus 1 is 2. See how it's making a triangle? Now look over here. Watch this. I'll pause. Here we go. This is row 0, 1. This is row 2. This is row 3. 1, 1. And then I add the 1 and the 2, which is 3. And I add this 1 and 2, and I put 3 down here. Okay? This is row 0. Here, let me go like this so you can see. This is row 0. This is row 1. This is row 2. Row 3. Now here comes row 4. Okay, row 4. Look at the end. 1 and 1, right? And then we add this, 1 and 3, 4, 3 and 3, 6, 1 and 3, 4. And here's the last row. Well, it goes on forever. It's not the last row, but the last one we'll do is 5. Row 5. And we go 1 and 1. And we go 5, 10, 10, and 5. It's row 5. And then row 6, row 7, row 8. Can go on forever. Okay. Now, let's look at the book for a second. That's how you build. We don't know how to use it yet, but we know how to build it. Okay, that's how you build Pascal's triangle. Hopefully you understand the pattern of Pascal's triangle. Okay, let's take a look at the book here because I want you to see the pattern of the book here. Oh, so let's go back. So instead of x plus 3 to the 5th power, x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3, guess what row I use? This is 5, x plus 3 to the 5th power. I'm going to use the 5th row. If it was x plus 3 to the 6th, I use the 6th row. If it's x plus 3 to the 3rd, I'd use the 3rd row, okay? Okay, I'm not showing, I didn't show you how to use it yet, but I'll show you how to use it in just a second. So we're x plus 3 to the 5th, so we use the 5th row. So now, okay. What am I doing here? Okay, so let's look at the pattern in the book, okay? Okay, here's the pattern of Pascal's triangle. And you guys can look this up in your book so you can see it, right? See how we have it here? Okay, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2. That's how I get this here. Then I add 2 plus 1, I get 3, 3, right? Here's the 5th row. You can keep going. This would be, so this would be 1. Then in here would be 6. Then in here would be 15, and then 20, and then 15, and then 6, and then 1. Okay? So here's how the pattern works. The 3rd row, watch this. Okay, this is going to be kind of weird. Notice I have an A and a B. Okay? The 3rd row, we use this 3rd line right here. Okay? Notice I have a 1, which is this one right here. This tells me put the 1 first, and then we go A cubed, because it's cubed. Now, there's a B here, but it's B to the 0. Then after the 1 is the 3. See, I have this 3 here, so I put the 3 next. Notice, look at the A. It's not A cubed anymore. Now it's A squared. It goes down 1, and this is B1. And then after the 3, I got another 3, and then now it's not A2, now it's A1, and then B2. Notice 1 plus 2 is 3. And then the first one, I have the 1 and the 1. Now it's A0, A is gone, B3. Okay? Look at these, the coefficients. 4th row, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. A to the 4th, A to the 3rd, B to the 1. A to the 2, B to the 2. Notice they add up to 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. A to the 1, B to the 3. Notice the A is decreasing, the B is increasing. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 4. Notice this one, 5th row, right? 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. That's this. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Those are the coefficients. A to the 5th, A to the 4th, A to the 3rd, A to the 2, A to the 1, A to the 0. Notice the B's. B to the 0, B to the 1, B to the 2, B to the 3, B to the 4, B to the 5. Notice the exponents add up to 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. That's the pattern. Okay. So at this point, your brain's probably going like this. I kind of get it. If you're at I kind of get it. Raise your hand. Put your hand up. This thing. I kind of get it. You don't get it all the way. You kind of get it. That's good if you kind of get it. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, you can all put your hands down so let's fresh it out. Okay, so ax plus 3 to the 5th power. Okay, so now this is my a and this is my b. Okay, so here we go. Watch what happens. Okay, you're doing this with me. Okay, here we go. So I'm using my 5th row. This is going to be big because I have the 5th. This is going to be kind of gross here. I should have done to the 4th. So I'm using this row right here. Okay, you guys ready? 1. Okay. I'll do it in black. Where's my black pen? Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to put the B's in too. So, okay, here we go. 1. So I go 1. Here's my B. X to the 5th, right? And this is my B times 3 to the 0. They don't have the B there, but I'm putting it there. 3 to the 0 is just nothing, right? It's 1. It disappears. Plus, okay? Raise your hand if you understand how I got that one. I got that. I got it. Put your hand up. Do the thing. Do the thing. Do it. Do it now. Do it now. Okay. Okay, those of you who do not have your hands up, here's your time to ask me a question how I got that. Actually, wait, don't ask yet. Don't ask yet. Wait, let's do the next one. Maybe you'll see the pattern. By the way, it's just this 3 to the 0 is just that. It's 1x to the 5th. But I just want you to see times 3 to the 0. Notice they add up to 5. Plus, next one, 5. 5, x to the, not 5th, 4th, times 3 to the 0, 3 to the 1. Okay, are we good? I'm going to keep going. Plus 10. 10. X to the 5, 4, 3 times 3 to the 2. Plus, I got to do another row. I shouldn't have done to the 5th. 5th is crazy. I don't know what I was thinking. I do another 10. 10 times x, not to the 3rd, x to the what? See, Alonzo, x to the what? See if you understand. X to the what?
Is it to the? Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking 3rd.
Well, I got x to the 3rd. Look, x to the 5th, x to the 4th, x to the 3rd, x to the what next, Alonzo?
2nd.
2nd times 3 to the Aaron, 3 to the what?
I don't know. Power of 2?
Aaron, look. 3 to the 0, 3 to the 1, 3 to the 2.
Oh, to the power of 3.
3 to the 3. Plus. So I did this one. I did 1. I did 5. I did 10. I got 10. So what's my next number going to be? Plus. Let's go with Montserrat. What's the next one going to be?
5.
5. Good. Okay. X to the Brett. X to the what?
I'm not sure.
X. Brett. X to the 5th. X to the 4th. X to the 3rd. X to the 2nd.
Just X.
X to the 1. X. Great. Times 3 to the what? Dennis White. 3 to the what?
4.
3 to the 4th. Thank you, Dennis. Plus. Last one. 1. X to the 0. 3 to the 5th. Okay, now I got to clean it up. Okay, here we go. Okay. now I just do our exponents and multiply everything, right? 3 to the 0 is 1 times 1 is 1. So this will be x to the 5th plus 3 to the 1 is 3 times 5, 15. 15 x to the 4th plus 3 to the 2nd is 9 times 10. 90 x to the 3rd plus, and then you're just going, right? 3 to the 3rd is 27 times 10 is 270 x to the 2nd. Notice 5, 4, 3, 2 plus 3 to the 4th. I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's 81, right? 81 times 5. 81 times 5. So 3 to the 4th is 81 times 5. 81 times 5. 405. 405x plus 3 to the 5th. 81 times 3. Right? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 81 times 3. 243. So that's your answer using Pascal's triangle. Okay, that's it. That's all I have to teach you for today. So here's what I'll let you guys do. If you get that, I'm gonna let you go. If not, I'll do that. I'll do what number am I on? I'll do it. Where are we at? I'll do, I think it was number, explain Pascal's triangle. Where'd it go? I'll do number, what number are we on?
I think we're on 43.
Yeah, 43, right?
43. I'll do 43. Okay, everyone else can go. I'm going to do 43. I'll see you later. You can go. I'm going to do 43 if you want me to do 43. Goodbye. I'll see you guys. Bye. Make sure you say bye, but I'm not looking because I'm doing 43. Okay, so you guys, if you want to go, you can. I see people are going. See you guys later. Take care. I'm doing 43. Am I sharing? There I am. 43. Okay, so it's 2t plus 4. Here, I'm erasing my board right now because I know you can't see. You're looking at, so I have room to do that one. My board does not erase good. It erased terribly. I need to clean it or something. Okay, 43. 43 is 2t plus 4 to the 3rd. 2t plus 4 to the 3rd. Who's there? I'm not even looking at you guys. I don't know. Is anyone there or am I talking to myself? Let's see. Okay, there's some of you here. Okay, cool. All right. So here we go. Ready? So, Naveed, what row am I going to use?
The third one?
The third row, because I want a third power, right? So third row. You guys with me? So this isn't going to be as hard as the 5th one, except that I have a number in front of here. That makes it a little bit more challenging, but okay, that's fine. I'm going to do it in, hang on, my wife's calling. My wife's calling. Let me answer this real quick. I'll put it on speaker. Hey, I'm in class, so.
I'm at physical therapy.
Okay.
Or I'm not in there yet, but I'm eating lunch in the car.
All right, Elijah's on his way there, so.
I know. All right.
Okay.
See you in a little bit.
Okay, love you.
Love you.
All right, bye. Okay, so remember this is my A, this is my B, right? So here we go. Watch the pattern. Okay, and I'm still recording this, I think. Okay, so look, I do the third row. Look at first thing is 1, right? Put a 1 in front. 1 times 2t to the 3rd power. So that's my A. I put it to the 3rd power. times 4 to the 0 power, right? 2t to the third, 4 to the 0. Okay. Plus. Okay, you guys ready? So I'm on the third row here. So I'm this one, right? Now it's, oh, someone tell me. Let's see. Let's go with, can anyone tell me? I don't want to volunteer. What am I going to put here? What am I going to do? Give it a shot.
Is it going to be like 3
Yeah, 3 times, got the 3.
times 2t to the second power?
Yes, perfect. 2t to the second times what? What about the 4?
It's going to be to the first power, right?
4 to the first. Notice 1 plus 2 is 3, right?
Mhm.
The a is decreasing, the b is increasing. Good, Abraham. Plus, okay, someone else. What's going to be the next one, right? So we did this one, we did this one. Okay, someone else tell me besides Abraham.
3 times 2t to the first power
Yeah,
times 4 to the second power.
perfect. Good job, Thomas. Okay, this one more. Plus, okay, what's the last coefficient going to be? Let's go with Angel. Go for it, Angel.
Plus 3 2t to the 0 power?
Wait, we're here. You already did this 3, so
Okay.
it's 1.
1.
Yep. Because we did, there's our 1, right? Our 3, then our 3, and then we do the 1. 1 times,
Oh,
I'm sorry, times, you're right though, 2t to the 0 power, which goes away, right? Becomes 1.
yeah.
Times what?
Times 4 to the third power?
4 to the third. Okay. So that's it. Let's clean it up now. But do you guys understand how we got all that pattern? Okay,
Yeah.
all right, cool. Are there any questions before I move on? Because now's the time to ask questions. Okay, so let's clean it up. These go away, 4 to the 0 and
the
1.
4.
Yeah. What's up? Wait, what, Anita?
How'd you go to get the 4 to the third power?
Okay, notice the pattern. 4 to the 0, 4 to the 1, 4 to the 2, 4 to the 3.
Oh, okay. I get it.
Yeah, this is the B. You know, the B goes 0, 1, 2, 3. The A goes 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, I get it.
Okay, good question. Okay, any other questions before I move on to simplify this? Okay, so 4 to the 0 is 1, 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, so 2 to the third. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8t cubed. Plus. Okay, any questions now? I got 8t cubed? So now I got to multiply, like, so I have the 3, I have the 2. Okay, 2 to the 2 is 4. Times 4 is 16. 16 times 3 is, what is 16 times 3? 8, 1, 48. So it's 48t squared. So I just multiplied all that out. 2 to the second is 4, times 4 is 16, times 3 is 48. Just multiplied all those out. I'll let your brain think about that for a second, how I got 48t squared. then the t squared is the t squared. Okay, plus, okay. Okay, so now 4 squared is 16 times 2 times 3, 32 times 3, I don't know, 32 times 3, 6, 96. So this is 96t. And then 2t to the 0 is 1. This is 1 times 1. So it's 4 cubed. 4. So these are just 1. You can, those go away. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 cubed, 64. Okay, that's the final answer. I'll let you guys think about that for a bit. Of course, you can just do 2t to plus 4 times 2t plus 4 times 2t plus 4. But this is how you do it with Pascal's triangle. All right, are there any questions? All right, if you have no questions, you can go. Otherwise, if you have more questions, you can stay. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you guys say bye. Bye, Carlos. Thanks for saying bye. I don't know if you guys are saying bye. I can't see them. Bye, Angel. Bye, Naveed. Bye, Ethan.